Hello everyone, this question appears in class 8th NCERT chapter of linear equation in one variable. This is 10th question of its exercise 2.2. So the question says that the number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? So assume कर लेंगे let the number of boys and girls B, so boys हमें assume कर लेंगे हमें given है 7:5, so 7x and 5x. Then according to the question, 7x number of boys is more than 8 more than number of girls. So हो जाएगा 7x is equal to 5x plus 8. So 7x 5x को इधर शिफ्ट कर देंगे minus 5x is equal to 8. So 2x is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8 by 2 is equal to 4. So हमें फाइंड आउट करना है number of girls is equal to girls के लिए हमारे पास रेशियो 5x. So 5x is equal to 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Then number of boys is equal to 7x is equal to 7 into 4, 28. Then total class strength. So total number of students हो जाएगा 20 plus 28 is equal to 48. Thank you.